it start. Oh, I remember one thing I wanted to tell you guys. I saw something today. A clip of沙花叉クロヱちゃん. And I've noticed one thing, guys. I have the same pajamas that she has. My pajamas look exactly the same, and that's actually, I have several pajamas, of course, but that one I think I got in Japan, which explains why we have the same one. Yeah, blue one with the hearts on the sleeve, the red hearts. It's actually a several part pajama that comes with a short version as well, like long pants version and short pants version, and then long sleeve version and kind of no sleeve version. Yeah, pajama buddies! So, if I go back to Japan, you know, I could say, let's have a pajama party in the same pajamas, but I heard she's very stinky, so... Just kidding. I heard she doesn't take baths, and she's stinky. I don't know how true that is, though. I have the same pajamas that she has. I have the same pajamas that she has.